Hello everyone, good morning, good evening to the folks around the world. I'm Krishna Nalaparaju talking to DevOps Studio, and a warm welcome to our short talk on declarative versus imperative scripting. So every day, if you want to become a better software engineer or a DevOps engineer to make the world better, we have to have a strong basics over the DevOps jargons or IT jargons. So declarative as well as imperative are two different types of programming or scripting that is available in the market. So if you're working on a project or if you have a plan of working on a project, so we have to identify the project needs, whether we have to go for a declarative or an imperative scripting or a programming that that fits the project needs. So let's get started without wasting our time. So what's a declarative scripting? Declarative scripting is a style of programming where you define what you want the program to do. So the definition itself says you don't want to write the whole program from the scratch. There was some modeling that is already being designed where you pass the inputs to the program and it will take care of the solution. So here in the declarative scripting, you think of what is the state you want to achieve, what is the solution you are looking for, and the other code or the modeling that is already being there or the supplier gives you will solve the problem. Okay, so for better example, modern tools like Terraform, Ansible, all these kind of tools that are available in the market today all works on these declarative scriptings. I will show you the best way how you can understand this declarative scripting at the end. Let's go through the imperative scripting as well. So imperative scripting is generally a style of programming where you specify the exact steps that the program should take to achieve a certain goal. So you as a programmer, you tell line by line for a program to what to do. Okay, here you are thinking about solution as well as how you achieve it. So you are the solo owner for what you want to achieve. Okay, so if you examples of how declarative scripting is different from an imperative scripting. So let's ask ChatGPT what and how it is different. So if you take an example of ChatGPT, if you ask it declarative script example, it will show you an YAML file which is nothing but a configuration of installing something to the server where you pass what are the requirements. Okay, you don't take care of any programming needs for the server to configure itself. There is other software that is being consuming these inputs from the user like you and me, and this is example of declarative where the rendering of this data to the final output what you are trying to achieve of installing something to the server is being taken care by server software. So this is the better example of declarative scripting. And also if you go for an example of imperative scripting, generally it's a programming where you will tell how to you achieve a particular solution. Suppose if your intention is to calculate the sum of two values, so you have to write your own code to achieve the final output. So this is the better example of imperative scripting. So in our day-to-day DevOps world, we in the project have some places where we need to use modern tools like Terraform, Ansible, which are better examples of declarative where you give the configurations and some other software or the service providers, they will take care of the whole solution if you pass the inputs to the particular software. Where on the other hand, if you want to do the business logics of your data, you need to write your own programming. You have to do it in Python or any programming language that will gives you edge of better control over your business needs. So this is better example of imperative. So both imperative as well as declarative, both the styles are needed in the DevOps world, but choosing the tool definitely needs on the basis of project needs. um, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day and see you soon. Thank you.